Hello everyone, this is the second type of inflorescence, that is the cymose inflorescence. What happened in this inflorescence कि जो main axis है वो terminate हो जाती है what flower में, okay, and the flowers are arranged in this manner is in the basipetal order. Basipetal order क्या होता है कि जो flower है apex पे वो तो older one है and the base पे younger one है, क्योंकि हमने प्रीवियसली देखा था रेसिमोस में दैट आर द एग्रोपेटल. तो हाउ डू यू रिमेंबर, एग्रोपेटल में ए आ रहा है, दैट इज द एपेक्स वन इज द यंगर वन. बेसिपेटल में बेस वाला जो फ्लावर होगा वो यंगर होगा. वन मोर ऑर्डर इज द सेंट्रीपेटल, जिसमें कि सेंटर वाला जो फ्लावर होगा वो यंगर होगा देन द पेरिफेरल फ्लावर. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन द साइमोस, द मेन एक्सिस terminate in the flower. Okay, in the case of racemose, the main axis is continuously grow and laterally the flowers are going to be grow. The main axis is not going to be converted into flower in case of racemose. So cymose main axis terminate in a flower. It is divided into three types. Monochasial cyme or uniparous cyme. Second, dichasial cyme or biparous cyme, and the third one is the polychasial or multiparous cyme. Okay, so first one is the uniparous cyme or the monochasial cyme. So what happened here is the main axis is going to be converted into the flower, okay, and the laterally the flowers are going to be formed on the branches. Okay, on that basis this is further divided into two: helicoid and scorpoid. In helicoid cyme, what happened? Main branch terminate into the flower, then lateral branches are forming from a one side only. Okay, lateral branches are forming from a one side only. Okay, so they are giving you appearance like a helix. They are giving you appearance like a helix. But in the case of scorpoid, okay, the main axis converted into the flower, then they are forming flowers again, laterally branches but on the opposite side. Okay, so they are forming the branches first like right, then left, right, left, right, left, like this. Okay, so example here in the helicoid, Drosera. Okay, in this here, Freesia. Okay, so these are the example helicoid and the scorpoid. In the case of dichasial cyme, the main branch, the main axis terminated into a flower and they form a branch. Okay, both the branches are also going to be terminate in the flower. Okay, and then lateral branches are also formed here. They are going to be terminate into the flower. Okay, this is the dichasial or biparous, in which the branches are formed, which is also going to be terminated in the flower. Again, from those branches, lateral flowers are going to be formed, which is also going to be converted into the flowers. Example, Bougainvillea, teak, jasmine. Okay, next is the multiparous or polychasial cyme. So what happened? Same main branch is going to be, main axis is going to be converted into the flower, and from here like two branches are forming. There are many branches are going to be formed, and all the branches, lateral branches, are going to be terminated into the flower. Okay, and from every this branch again many flowers are going to be formed like this. Okay, that's why it is known as the multiparous or polychasia. Okay, so examples here is, in this example is the Calotropis. Okay, so this is the cymose, second type of the inflorescence, in which the flowers are arranged in the basipetal order because the main axis directly terminate into a flower and then laterally the branches are going to be form the flower. On that basis, it is divided into three types: monochasial, dichasial and the polychasial. मोनोचेजियल में क्या होता है, सिर्फ मेन एक्सिस टर्मिनेट होता है फ्लावर में एंड देन लेटरल ब्रांचेस आर गोइंग टू बी टर्मिनेटेड टू द फ्लावर सक्सेसिवली, बट दे आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स, हेलिकॉइड एंड स्कॉर्पॉइड. हेलिकॉइड में एक ही साइड में सारी ब्रांचेस फॉर्म होगी, स्कॉर्पॉइड में ऑल्टरनेटिवली फॉर्म होगी. डाइचेजियल में इट इज लाइक बाइपेरस, मतलब टू फॉर्म होंगी ब्रांचेस, लेटरल ब्रांचेस फॉर्म हुई, फिर उन पे भी टू फ्लावर्स फॉर्म हुए. In the polychasial, the many branches are going to be formed. They are also going to be terminated in the flower, and from that many branches, many other again branches are going to be formed, and they are going to be formed the flower. Okay, so this is the cymose. Next, we are going to discuss the special type of the inflorescence.